Hi everyone, today I'm gonna make some slime with shampoo, Colgate, and I have here some sugar. All what I need is a small bowl, 1 spoon, and all the ingredients what I just told you. I'm gonna add some shampoo. That was the shampoo I just added. I'm gonna put Colgate now. I take the spoon and I mix it. Now I will add some sugar. And I will mix it. After you mix it very well, you have to leave it on the fridge for 48 hours, and we're gonna see how it's gonna be after 48 hours.